Hey nail fam, hope that you guys are doing well. It's long time no see, no hair, no smell, no taste, no nothing. Hope you guys have been doing well. It's spring season, guys, and it is time for us to bring out all of the lovely spring nails, all of the bright colored gel polishes, all of that good stuff. I do hope that you and your family are keeping well. So what I have here is a new nail drill once again from the lovely MelodySusie. They were kind enough to reach out and send me this one. It looks like we have another kind of nail drill pen maybe. So I've just received it, haven't opened it up yet. So you and I are going to be going through this today, unboxing it and seeing what the hype is all about. The only time that I can actually do a nail video these days is when I take off when I've just taken off another set. So I previously had a set on, and I'll put a little picture up on the screen for spring. Like, I still do my nails, it's just that I just don't have the time to do a video and like sit down and actually do a really like detailed video, because I work a 9 to 5 and I'm up from 4 a.m. and I don't get home until like 9 p.m. And plus I am in college as well. For anyone that's new to my channel, you might just be joining me because you've probably watched one of my older videos. I am not a, well, you know, I did a little bit of training. Your girl's still trying to learn a thing or two about nails. So I am a banker, full-time banker, and I do nails on the side. Just for fun though. But I am insured and I am a licensed gel nail tech. Yes, ma'am, your girl is a real nail tech. I just ain't got time, you know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, so once we've opened the box here's what it looks like. This is our cute little packaged box here. We have an instruction manual, and it's called the P Series cordless nail gel. Oh, so you know cords, how you supposed to charge? Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, pre-charge it just like the other ones, which I love. I love that about MelodySusie. Everything's kind of cordless, and great products. Like, all of my products work absolutely amazing. I don't have any issues. So here's the star of the show, guys. Oh, she got a little weight to her. Okay, she ain't a little cheap thing. This ain't she in quality, boo-boo. Let me stop messing around. Okay, so here's what our, and ignore my fingers, guys. My fingers always bite up. Like I just said, I just kind of drilled. I actually used my other drill, my other MelodySusie drill to, I have so much drills from MelodySusie. But my absolute favorite, my handy dandy, is definitely the Jade rechargeable drill. I think I have 5. 5? Do I have 5? This might be number 5. But this one, this is my baby right here. And they recently introduced these new sounding bands. Sorry, I know that this video is about this, but I just have to plug in this. This is my A1 from day one. Anyway, so here is our little, and I love this. You can just, I love that it's portable. So if you need to, you have the ability to be portable. Now, usually these come charged. That's the power button. I think so. Okay, so what's included is we do have a little USB cord here. We have ourselves a dusting brush. Okay, she feel nice. She thick too. Surprised there's not a branding on the brush, but it is what it is. And then we have some nail drill bits. Okay, and we have another box of nail drill bits here, the usual mandrel nail drill bit is usually the one that I particularly use. So what we'll do is we will take that one out. If I can just see, what happened is I love long nails so much. When I don't have them on, I don't know how to function sometimes. I don't know if anybody's experienced that. Like, I just feel stubby. I feel weird without having long nails. Mind you, I struggle with the long nails. Like, I probably wouldn't even be able to get this open with long nails, but that's, I'm so used to struggling. Okay, so let me just grab one of these sanding bands, which I'm assuming is going to be 180 because that's normally what everyone uses. And I have a little bit of leftover like a, this was a 10-in-1 nail glue gel that I used, and it's because it's a 10-in-1, you can also use it as a builder gel, so it's kind of left over on my nails. Anyway, okay, so let us go ahead and now hold on now. Okay, so this one doesn't twist, so you just kind of shove that in there just like so, and I'm going to assume you hold down on the pen just like so. She's not coming on though, so I guess I should have checked this before I opened it, but usually MelodySusie has come fully charged. Yeah, they usually come fully charged. So I'm just gonna stick that there. Oh boy, see, I'm so rusty. I haven't done a video in so long, I'm getting rusty. Okay, so the light is on now. So I'm assuming it has to be charged first, but you should be able to, can you turn it on while it's charging? Okay, it is on now. Okay, so we managed to get this on. It is plugged in, but you could charge it first before you use it. Because I'm just unboxing this for the first time, it doesn't have enough charge in it. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Now I do have some leftover product on my nail. I don't know if you can see my little stubby bite up nails there, and I have this on 1. So usually if I want to remove a product, I would go up to yeah, like about 9. And let's see if I can. Oh yeah, okay. All right, so she is actually removing product. Now I have this on 9. I wouldn't go any higher because I'm actually using this on my natural nail. So I think when it comes to, yes, that's a good amount of product removed. I'm not gonna go, let's see, make it smooth it up just a little bit, just make it nice and smooth. Yeah, okay, that's not bad. All right, let me use the little dust brush that came with it. Okay, there we go. So we managed to remove a good amount of product. This dust brush is working really nicely as well, actually. Yeah, so let's turn that off. Oh, as P is for pause, I guess. Oh, it restarts again. Okay, so if I wanted to just power this off, I probably just have to hold it down. There you go. Okay, great. So on 9, if I wanted to remove product, I was able to remove some product off of my nail. So it definitely works really nicely for natural enhancements, natural nails, and what's not. I think for probably stronger products like acrylic, I don't wear acrylic at all anyway. Like I use my little nail hacks with the builder gel or the rubber-based gel, and I pour acrylic powder. But when it comes to acrylic and monomer, I don't use that. So I can't give any opinion on whether or not this particular nail drill will work on acrylic enhancements. However, I do have on soft gel on my nail. I have on a 10-in-1 gel base onto my nail, and it worked absolutely fine. I also think it'll probably work really nicely on natural nails as well. So it is good for sanding down, and obviously you should be able to use it with other nail drill bits as well from MelodySusie. Like for example, this one is one of my absolute favorite nail drill bits. It just gets that cuticle work done so nicely. It gets into the corners and the crevices. So you should be able to use the other nail drill bits from MelodySusie with this nail drill pen. Again, it is portable. Fully charge it up first. You can carry it with you whilst you're on vacation if you needed to make any changes. If you have any mishaps. It has nice weight to it, but it's not really heavy, so I don't think it's going to make a big difference in your luggage. If you're a mobile nail tech, this probably might work for you as well. Honestly, it is a really great product. MelodySusie is a really great brand, and this has been one of their popular products simply because of the price point, the portability, and the ease of use. Okay, so that's my particular quick review of the MelodySusie P Series nail drill pen. If if you are interested, there is a link down in my description, and you can also use the discount code to take a percentage off of the MelodySusie website. Okay, huge shout out and a thank you to MelodySusie for sending this reel over to me to use, and being able to demonstrate for you guys how easy and practical it is to use. All right guys, thanks so much for watching this quick video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.